Every pair of jeans begins with raw cotton, the natural cellulose fiber that gives denim its unique combination of strength, comfort, and character.
The transcription is as follows. The transcription is as follows. Cotton is a remarkable natural fiber. Each individual strand
can spin it. Indigo dyeing is unique. The dye only penetrates the outer surface of each yarn, leaving the core white.
The indigo develops its iconic deep blue color through oxidation. Each time the yarn emerges from the dye bath.
The ring dyeing effect is what makes jeans unique. As surface fibers wear away with use, the white core
inches. The 3/1 twill weave creates the diagonal ribbing that gives denim its distinctive appearance, where the indigo fade.
Raw denim inspection catches any weaving defects before the fabric enters the cutting process. Selvedge denim is woven on traditional shuttle looms that produce a clean, self-finished edge, a hallmark of premium denim craftsmanship.
Apparization mechanically compresses the denim to reduce residual shrinkage, ensuring the jeans maintain their fit after the first consumer wash.
The cutting floor is where precision pattern geometry meets raw denim, translating digital designs into the physical pieces that will become jeans. Computer-aided pattern nesting optimizes the arrangement of pattern pieces to extract maximum garments from every meter of expensive denim fabric.
Each garment is broken into over 20 individual cut pieces that must be bundled and tracked through the sewing assembly.
Cut piece dimensional accuracy directly determines the final garment fit and sizing consistency.
Laser-cut guide holes enable the precise positioning of decorative back pocket stitching patterns. Waistband precision determines the comfort and fit of the finished jeans at the most critical contact point. Every piece of hardware serves both functional and branding purposes. The distinctive golden contrast stitching is as much a defining characteristic of classic jeans as the indigo denim itself.
The sewing floor operates as a highly choreographed assembly line, where each operator performs one specific sewing.
Fly construction is one of the most technically demanding operations, requiring precise alignment of the zipper, shield, and facing through multiple fabric layers. Flat-felled seams fold the raw edge inside, creating the durable doubled seam that withstands years of stress and washing. The back pocket arcuate stitch pattern is one of the oldest trademark designs in fashion history.
Waistband sewing requires a curved, specialist machine that handles the three-dimensional contour of the waist.
The brass waistband button has remained essentially unchanged since the original patent.
At this stage, the jeans are complete but unwashed, stiff and dark with concentrated indigo, the raw canvas awaiting its finishing treatment. Post-sewing inspection catches any stitching defects before the garment enter the expensive washing and finishing process.
A continuous river of raw indigo denim
flows from the sewing floor toward the transformation of the washing halls.
The washing department is where raw denim undergoes its most dramatic transformation. From stiff, dark, rigid...
Enzyme washing uses biological catalysts that selectively break down surface cellulose fibers, creating a softer hand feel.
Ozone plating is the most sustainable washing technology, using gas rather than water to selectively lighten the denim surface.
Laser finishing has revolutionized denim distressing, replacing manual sandblasting with precision-controlled digital destruction.
Final drying locks in the dimensional stability and the soft hand feel achieved by the washing process.
The washing transformation is dramatic. The same garment becomes softer, lighter, and full of unique character.
Resin finishing chemically locks crease patterns into the denim structure.
The leather brand patch is the ultimate signature of authenticity, heat embossed with the brand logo and sewn to the waistband.
Final inspection is the last quality gate before the jeans reach the consumer.
Dimensional verification ensures every pair conforms to the size specification.
The retail packaging presents the product in the format expected by premium fashion retailers.
Each wash variant creates a completely different aesthetic from the same base construction.
Heritage hardware develops character over time, aging alongside the denim itself. RFID enables precise retail inventory management.
The world's most iconic garment, ready for global retail. The warehouse holds the complete seasonal collection ready for instant retail fulfillment.
International distribution extends the icon of American fashion to every corner of the world. Premium presentation for direct consumer experience. Distribution serves every retail channel globally. The archive preserves the design evolution of the world's most iconic garment. Modern denim manufacturing prioritizes environmental sustainability.
Each truck carries the legacy of the world's most enduring fashion icon.
From the control room, production managers monitor every sewing station, washing drum, and quality checkpoint simultaneously. Thread tension calibration determines seam strength and the distinctive stitch appearance that defines premium jeans.
Complete operational overview.
Washing drum maintenance ensures consistent wash quality across millions of garments.
Daily review ensures consistent quality across every style, size, and wash variant.
Seam quality determines the durability and comfort of jeans that will be worn and washed hundreds of times.
Design innovation keeps the brand relevant while respecting the heritage of the classic five-pocket jean. The fit model session is the critical moment where two-dimensional patterns are validated on a three-dimensional human body. Wash development creates the signature looks that differentiate each seasonal collection. The same construction can produce dramatically different consumer aesthetics through wash variation alone. Sustainable innovation focuses on reducing virgin cotton consumption while maintaining the authentic denim character. When darkness falls, the sewing machines continue their rhythmic chattering and the washing drums on their heavy tumbling.
The night shift maintains identical stitching precision and production volume.
Every rivet tells a story of heritage and function.
Inside these halls, skilled hands and precision machines create the world's most worn garment. Cleanliness maintained continuously.
An endless river of indigo denim flows through the night.
The complete transformation from raw cotton to iconic fashion. Precision at every stage.
One pair of jeans, born from cotton, indigo, and over 100 years of heritage.
This facility produces the single most worn garment in human history.
The factory's ultimate purpose, creating the garment that people reach for every single day.
The signature stitching that has defined jeans for over a century.
The same construction, infinitely personalized by the way each person lives in them.
The beauty of denim is that it improves with age, each crease and fade telling the story of its wearer. The factory breathes in raw cotton and breathes out cultural icons.
From above, the scale becomes clear. One factory, 50,000 pairs daily, worn by millions.
The ancient craft of indigo dyeing continues in the service of modern fashion.
Every loom weaving, every machine stitching, every drum tumbling.
Jeans were born as workwear, and their DNA of durability and function remains embedded in every pair. The 5-pocket jean has evolved into dozens of silhouettes while retaining its essential DNA.
The complete journey from raw cotton to finished fashion icon in one frame.
One button, one brand, 170 years of heritage. Water recycling has reduced the water footprint of modern denim washing by over 7% compared to conventional methods.
Laser technology replaces the most water-intensive and chemically demanding finishing steps.
Ozone bleaching eliminates the need for water and harsh chemical bleaches.
The product bridges factory floor and fashion editorial.
Skilled hands arriving to continue the craft. The complete expression of cotton, indigo, craft, and heritage. The museum preserves the design heritage, from the original workwear to modern fashion essential.
The Japanese philosophy of visible mending celebrates the beauty of a garment's history.
Selvage denim remains the hallmark of premium dental craftsmanship.
Jeans are the universal garment, from first childhood pair to lifelong wardrobe essential.
The ancient art of indigo dyeing, scaled to industrial magnitude. The eternal rhythm of indigo and cotton and thread.
$50,000 pairs, every stitch verified, every wash approved. Sunset on the Indigo Empire.
One pair. Cotton, indigo, thread, and copper. The world's most democratic garment.
The blue jean. Cotton, indigo, and craft. Born as workwear, evolved into a cultural icon.